Today's method will show you how you can earn hundreds of dollars by getting your Google certification for free. There are about hundreds of millions of businesses in this world today that would be willing to pay for Google advertisements. And that might sound a little confusing to you right now, but you will understand why this is important in a few moments. Now, this is a payment that we received from today's method. Of course, you can earn more than this or less. It all depends on your consistency and drive. It also depends if you follow our instructions in today's video properly, because if you don't, then you might not get the process done right and you'll definitely earn less than we are. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip any parts so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. The first that we're going to show you is how you're going to get the certification for free. And then next, we're going to show you the top 3 websites that will pay you quickly for your certification. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make more money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First step is to go to skillshop.withgoogle.com. This is the website that's going to allow you to get certified by Google itself. Now, this process will only take a few hours, not even months or years, and you will be certified by Google. So it says, master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. Develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google product certified. Learn how to use Google products to their full potential. Get the know-how you need to find success. And earn Google product certifications to showcase your expertise. Those are huge skill sets that people will pay you big amounts of money for, and we are going to be showing you the websites that will find you those people. If you look under Get Certified, these are some of the things that you can get certified for: Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academic, and Waze. So that is a lot you can get certified for. The first thing that we want you to get certified for is Google Ads Search Certification. Now, this is the highest paying certification because there are millions of businesses who need their Google advertisements to be done. And like we said, we're going to show you where you can find all of these people who will pay you because of your certification. So once you get this certification, you're going to get this sense of credibility and people who need someone to work on their Google ads for them. And because you are officially certified, which means you're someone credible, they will hire you and pay you hundreds of bucks. So if you go ahead and click on the Google Ads Search Certification, this is what you're going to be seeing next. So Google Ads Certification, now this certification will only take 3.7 hours to complete. Imagine taking 3.7 hours of your time to be officially certified by Google. Not even months or even weeks. And all for completely free, and it's even beginner friendly. It says, demonstrate your mastery of building and optimizing Google search campaigns. Certified users will exhibit the ability to leverage automated solutions like smart bidding and audience solutions to boost campaign performance for specific marketing objectives. And by earning the Google Ads Search certification, Google recognizes your ability to, number 1, translate a vision for online marketing into a coherent digital marketing strategy, all the way up to ensure your search marketing plan and is aligned with your digital marketing budget. Now note Some courses contain links to sites that may not be available in your preferred language or that require you to select your language. So you're going to have to prepare for the certification. And then under Study Google Ad Search, you're going to see the different topics you will be encountering and exactly how long they would take to complete. Now, the second best paying certification would actually be Campaign Manager Certification, which is over here. So click on that and then you will be redirected to this website right here. Campaign Manager Certification Exam. Now this one only takes 1 hour, and this is very important because if you pass this, you can actually approach businesses who are already doing Google Ads. But your job would be to manage those Google Ads. Now you don't even need to set any ads, you won't even need to set anything up for that matter. All you will really need to do is look through all of them and then get paid. The last one that we want you to try out would be Display Video and 360 Certification, which is also under Google Marketing Platform. So click on that and then this should be what you see next. Display and Video 360 Certification Exam. Now this only takes 1 hour as well. So all in all, if you decide to do the 3 certifications all in one day, all you will need to allot is 5 hours of your day. And you're going to be certified by Google for 3 skills. That's literally going to get you paid at least $3,600 or even to $1,000 every single day for absolutely free. Now tell me that isn't crazy. Now, people are going to be choosing you to do their Google Ads or even manage their Google Ads because you are certified, which means you know how to do the work and what to do as well. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. So remember the 3 websites that we promised to you earlier? We are going to get into them right now, and what we want you to note is that we're going to be discussing the websites from the lowest paying website to the highest paying website. So if you want to know about the highest paying website for today, then you should definitely watch until the very end of this video to actually get that. So the first website is called freelancer.com. Now this is the first and the lowest paying website for today. What you're gonna wanna do is sign up and set yourself up an account. It's totally free. Now, if we type in advertising on the search box, you will see that there are businesses on this website that are looking for advertisers. Basically, you'll see all the employers looking for people who can do advertising, and they're willing to pay you up to $100, $2,000, $17 per hour, and $3,000, and a lot more on here. So these are very big sums of money. All you have to do is click on bid now if you want the job, and then let them know you can do the job, and most especially, let them know that you are Google certified and even show your certification. And just like that, you're going to get that job immediately, and all it really took was 5 hours of your day. Next website is called peopleperhour.com. Now on this website, you will find more businesses in need of advertisers, so this is definitely a better website than the first one. So as you can see, make bright ideas happen. Find the best freelancers to deliver your projects. There are a lot of categories to choose from, but here are some of the most popular ones. Getting work done has never been easier. You get matched with expert freelancers in minutes, dedicated 24/7 customer service team, and money-back guarantee and anti-fraud protection. Now, they have a 4.3 out of 5 rating, which is a pretty good rating if we can say so ourselves. And if you scroll lower, you'll see that this website is trusted globally by over 1 million businesses, small to large. Now, they've been featured in BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Financial Times, Forbes, and The Independent. Now, these are very big names as well. So if you search projects over here and type in Google Ads, all of the projects that will pop up, and all of these are looking for advertisers. And what you can actually do is put your preferred salary, and you can then choose fixed. You wouldn't want to work on a per hour basis, trust us. You should agree to working at a fixed price. And then all of the results will be all for fixed price advertiser jobs. As you can see, employers will pay you $100 and even $1,000, which is just absolutely insane. There are so many more similar opportunities if you scroll and scroll, and you can actually apply to all of these employers and look forward to earning up to $1,000 a day, even more, by just managing ads and handling ads because you are Google certified. Last website is Fiverr.com. Since this is the last website that we are going to be discussing, this is also going to be the best one. Now, there are over 30 million businesses on this website, so just imagine how many opportunities you can find. You can look up Google Ads again on this website and then look through all of the opportunities and make another $1,000 on this website alone. So make sure you sign up on this website so you can then post your listing and people can hire you to do their Google Ads. But make sure that you don't forget to mention that you are Google certified so that you will be automatically accepted and you can make your hundreds of dollars immediately. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.